This video is going to walk you through our new pickup schedule feature, which is a new system that allows you to create pickup times and slots, and it also allows your bidders to select the slots that they want to come and pick up their lots from your location. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the site-wide pickup schedule, which you'll find on the right hand side under the main admin menu. And this is essentially the main page where you can set up your pickup schedules, and unless you choose otherwise, these will be available for every single auction by default, unless you create a custom pickup schedule for an auction, which I'll be showing later on in this video. So starting off with the basic configurations, we have the pickup duration, the slot duration if you prefer. This is how long the slot will last for the person to come in and pick up their items. Next up, you can pick how many buyers are allowed to book the same slot. You can also pick the schedule length, which is used to determine how far a bidder can schedule their invoices from today for pickup. You can also set a reminder, and you can select how many hours prior to the pickup that the bidder will be reminded from. This is an automated email that will be sent to them directly from your website. Next up, we have multiple invoices per slot. So if the customer has multiple invoices that require pickup from your location, by ticking this box on, you're allowing them to be able to pick up multiple invoices per slot. And then lastly, under the basic configurations is the reschedule threshold. So this is how many hours from the pickup slot that a bidder has selected that they're allowed to amend and change their slot. So for example, if they have a pickup at 12 and it's 11 o'clock, because they've hit the threshold, they won't be able to reschedule their pickup. Or if I make it 5, they have 5 hours before the pickup slot to change it. And then next up, we have our pickup days and hours. Let me just save this and reload the page. These are your reoccurring slots and the times that people are allowed to create their slots and pick them. So we just have one for every day of the week for the moment, but you can always edit them and add them by clicking on Add New. Oh, I need to finish the selection first. So we have Monday, (12 a.m., finish it at 6 p.m. So when the time comes for the bidder to pick up their pickup schedule slot, the slots that they are able to pick will be within the confines of these pickup days and hours. When you create a new pickup hour, you can actually add multiple under the same day or at the same time by picking the first pickup time and the last pickup time. Then clicking on Add New, you can add a second slot so you can make them all at one go. Do make sure that your times don't overlap, otherwise the system won't be able to create them. Then we have blackout times. So these are individual days that you can choose not to have any pickup slots available to them. So these bypass the pickup hour slots on the top. So for example, Christmas Day, any other thing like that, bank holidays, days you're not in the office. And you can also choose to make these recurring or not, which means they will repeat every single year. So to set up this on an auction, I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to go down to an auction list, and I have one made already. First off is if you have a shipping method set up on your website, be sure to click on pickup for that. And then continue to the bottom of the page, pickup start dates, and you can show the pickup date times if you want customers to be able to see that. And then you have the start date and end date for the pickup time, and then the pickup schedule days as well. Same as on the site-wide pickup scheduler, the pickup schedule days work the exact same. So now I'm going to show you what it looks like from the customer's point of view. Moving over to this tab, I'm logged in as a bidder, and I've already placed bids on this auction. I've generated the invoices, and at the very top is the latest invoice that has the pickup schedule attached to it. And as you can see, the bidder is well able to make their own schedule here. I have all my slots available. So the bidder will pick their day that they want to pick up their time. They'll select their slot. For example, this one. And of course, this auction is following the site-wide schedule. So it's all the same information that we saw on the previous pages. And because I have multiple invoices ticked on the site-wide pickups, this bidder is able to select multiple invoices to be picked up in one slot. Then the bidder will get a confirmation pop up. As well as that, if the bidder was to go and look at their invoice, at the top they'll be able to see when their slot is scheduled and the time and date. Same for the admin users. Going on the edit auction page, if I go into invoices, I can see the pickup time here. You can of course reschedule the appointment on the invoice as well, and the bidder can do so as well under the My Account settings. Granted, of course, as long as they are within their threshold to be able to reschedule. And we also have a new pickup schedule report, which is under the Reports tab at the bottom of the page on the left hand side. That will show you all the slots available during your times, and you can pick either from the site-wide calendar or a particular auction, as well as the start time and end time of the report. The last thing I want to show you is the ability to create auction level pickup schedules. So if you want to make a particular schedule that doesn't follow the site-wide dates or times, you do so on the auction menu here. Instead of following the auction-wide schedule, you can create a custom pickup schedule. So the first thing you're going to do is click on Pickup Schedule, Manage Pickups, enable the custom pickup schedule, and then it's the exact same as the last page. You just have your basic configurations, and when you're finished with that, you also have your pickup times and slots. And it's as simple as that. It will work for the auction and this auction only. And that about covers the main functions for the pickup schedule. So just to reiterate, because this video was lengthy enough, you have a site-wide pickup schedule, you have a auction-wide pickup schedule, you can set the days, the slots, how many people are able to book the same slot, the ability to book multiple invoices for the same slot per customer, the ability to reschedule appointments, and the ability to amend as an admin and a bidder, and also to create custom block days for days that you don't want any pickups to be scheduled. Thanks for watching.